Buckle up, adventure seekers. Get ready to meet the all-new 2025 Isuzu MU-X, the SUV that's poised to take the crown from the reigning kings of the mid-size segment, the Toyota Fortuner and Mitsubishi Pajero. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete overhaul, packing a punch in every department: design, performance, technology, and capability. So, let's dive into the details and see why the MU-X is ready to fight. Exterior. The outward design has been enhanced by the installation of a new grille, front and rear bumpers that are more aggressive, LED headlights that are more pointed, and new LED taillights. All of these changes have been made. In comparison to the version that is now being utilized, it is not anticipated that there will be a major adjustment made to the overall size. There is a selection of wheel sizes available, ranging from 17 inches to 20 inches in all dimensions. Interior. An updated entertainment system, premium leather upholstery, a redesigned center console with a larger touchscreen, and additional high-quality materials are some of the enhancements that have been made to the interior of the car. Other enhancements include the addition of leather upholstery. Increases the number of amenities that are offered, such as a quality sound system, a wireless phone charging system, a panoramic sunroof, and more. It is possible to fold down the third row of seats in order to significantly increase the capacity of the luggage compartment, in addition to the vast area that has the capacity to accommodate 7 passengers. Performance. It is believed that it will be equipped with a brand new RS4 diesel engine that is 1.9 liters in capacity and has the capacity to generate 163 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque. The vehicle is equipped with an automatic transmission that has 6 gears in either 4-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive, which is operational at all times. Technology and safety. One of the many modern safety and driving aid systems that are featured in this vehicle is the automated emergency braking aid system. Other systems that are incorporated in this vehicle include the blind spot warning, BSM system, and the automatic emergency braking system. LDU stands for the warning system for lane departure. The abbreviation LK refers to lane keeping assistance. An all-encompassing camera system. What will be the price of the Isuzu MU-X hybrid? There is a range of prices that runs from 800 million to 1 billion Vietnamese dong, and it is anticipated that the selling price will be higher than the current version. Conclusion. The 2025 Isuzu MU-X is more than just an SUV. It's a statement. It's a challenge to the established players, a testament to Isuzu's dedication to building rugged, reliable, and technologically advanced vehicles. With its potent performance, captivating design, and abundance of features, the MU-X is ready to fight for the top spot. So, if you're looking for an SUV that can handle anything life throws your way, look no further than the all-new 2025 Isuzu MU-X. It's ready for your next adventure. Simply said, the information that has been supplied thus far is a forecast that has been gathered from various sources that are not official. It has not been officially announced by the manufacturer that the Isuzu MU-X 2025 will be available. With that said, thanks for watching.